my viewers and subscribers, Bigsuper is heading to Bowden. I'm going to check the mother lady, you know. Yeah, I'm going to check Tolo, find out about the bad road and the bad road condition in St. Thomas. So, my viewers and sub, I have to get some spiritual advice on this bad road here in St. Thomas. So, I have to check Tolo, the spiritual people them. Make them tell me exactly what really are going on the bad road. So, stick and stay and follow me. Yeah, my viewers and sub, me in the community, a old Pera. Yeah, me there in the community, a old Pera, my viewers and sub. Yeah man, me am going to see everything. And me head towards Tolo. Morning, morning. How are you? Alright. So me head towards Tolo. So stick and stay. My viewers and sub, me always love to come a whole Pera. Because when you're up on whole Pera, you're up on the hill and you overlook Jabbook's restaurant, you overlook Lethal, Fort, all of them communities there. You see it? It's so beautiful. Make me stop and say I can zoom it in. I don't know if I zoom all that 100, but my viewers and that. You see that my viewers and subscribers? Beautiful in old Pera. Yes, stick and stay viewers and sub. Don't change your dial. Bigsuper. There in a Pera, old Pera. And I go take a walk and look for the famous. Morning, morning, morning. I look for the famous Tolo to get some advice on the bad road and bad road condition them in St. Thomas. And I want some prediction from her for how long she think the bad road and the bad road condition are going to prevail for in St. Thomas. If we have to call up on the ancestors them, if we have to call up on Nanny, if we have to call up on the great Paul Boger. But we need to know my viewers and so. So, Bigsuper make the walk. Me in a whole Pera and me go look for the famous Tolo. Yeah, my viewers and sub. Yeah, my viewers and sub. Bigsuper is inside the building. Ramp. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, I'm here with two elderly people. I'm at
Old Pera.
Old Pera, and what the lady name?
Bishop Tolo.
Bishop Tolo residence. We are churches. And I'm speaking to two of our elders. And what your name, Daddy?
My name is Mr. Harry, Nebert Harry.
Nebert Harry.
Yes.
And Mr. Harry,
yes.
What you have to tell the Jamaican people them about
no,
the
listen to
bad
me,
road
yes.
and the bad state of St. Thomas?
No, listen to me now, Jamaican people.
Yeah.
I am an 86-year-old man.
Yeah.
And right now, my feelings is not right.
Yeah.
Pertaining to the road,
Yeah.
the condition, in largely, the condition of St. Thomas. And the condition of St. Thomas pertaining to the Jamaican government and the Prime Minister.
Yeah.
And the, what you call him again?
Governor General.
The Governor General. It is not right. Because people want to let you know. St. Thomas is the first burner for the island of Jamaica. The ship coming from United States of America, it have to come to Maran Pine. The plane coming from United States of America is coming to Maran Pine. The Kumuna, where our culture come right from old Pera, from Parin, a whole period it exists. And right now, I am not feeling Jamaica people, them are not feeling proper about the situation. Because it is not right. The road, the water supply, nothing at all that is right in St. Thomas. I am not agree with it. And Mr. Prime Minister, Mr. Governor General, up to the contractor, what you know have doing the road. I want you to do better. I need you to do better. My name is Mr. Harry Niebert Harry. Again, I need you to do better with us. Because you're not doing the thing proper with us. And that's my word. He's on the ground of Bishop Tolo. And here is old Pera.
Yeah.
Right here is old Pera. Nothing is in old Pera for the past years.
Yeah.
No water supply.
Yeah.
From the man and dug up the road of Pera and fix road of old Pera. No water. Hello. Barkley. And how long now we not got no water? About 20 years. All right.
Long time.
Long time, about 20 years, no water, no dire.
Yeah.
And we now get no truck water from the truck because we call the truck they not come.
The truck them now come, because the
You
bad
understand?
road.
The bad road.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
We now get no water out Pera. Pera bad. Exceedingly bad.
Yeah.
Yes.
Urgent.
Urgent. So we need it. We need the pipe in our old Pera.
Yeah.
We need the road to fix and we need water supply.
Yeah.
Otherwise, no government nobody look on us. So.
All right.
Good.
All right.
Truly.
Yeah, man, my viewers and sub. So me up on the grounds. Bishop Tolo, where them church. What the name of your church again,
The
Daddy?
name of the church, me seen it. The name of the church?
What the name of your church again?
Mizpah Christian Church of God.
Whisper.
Mizpah.
Mizpah.
Christian Church of God. Old Pera.
Old Pera.
Yes,
I'm up on the grounds. I like the grounds, because the grounds is just beautiful. Everything when me see around me on this grounds here, it have a symbol. I'm sorry that the bishop wasn't here to carry me around and show me what the significance of them birds and the house and at the top and all of these little things we make. But at the end of the day still, I'm here looking at them and I'm not telling a lie, them look beautiful. I'm like when they keep the grounds of the church.
Man.
Yes, man.
I'm a big up the members them at this church here. They might not be about right now, but you want call out them name, big them up same way.
He's a part of them.
Yeah, big them up.
Big up my bishop and my pastor.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And the church family.
Just a church family.
Just the church family, evangelist, deacon, Belgian, everybody.
Yeah.
Everybody.
Yeah, man.
Because we are a beautiful set of people.
Yeah, me say that, man.
We are one family.
I'm pass through here already, I'm go down to Jabbook's restaurant.
Yeah.
And I'm a walk go New Pera.
Yeah.
I walk straight through the Crocodile Lake and go New Pera. You understand? So, me continue walk through St. Thomas. Me continue to highlight the flight of the people them in St. Thomas. Because, as me was talking to Nutsy in the town of Marant Bay, Nutsy make me know that St. Thomas is the richest parish in Jamaica.
Telling you.
And of the poorest set of people them
I'm
living.
telling you that, man.
Yeah.
I am telling you that.
I
Talk with what time I tell you that.
yeah,
Everything that St. Thomas.
yeah. The
And the
richest
most
parish.
things to come into St. Thomas when I look through the condition of St. Thomas, with especially the fruit.
Yeah,
Breadfruit spoiler,
yeah,
mango spoiler,
yeah.
everything that is come to fruit.
Spoiler.
Spoiler St. Thomas.
Yeah. Me see,
Because there
man.
is no factory.
No factory.
Both half mashed down.
Yeah,
The tire factory mashed down.
Yeah.
Nowhere at all for people
Yeah.
get little job.
no way.
You understand? They mashed down the cane piece.
Yeah. And
You
the banana
understand? They
gone.
mashed down the banana walk.
Oh, Lord.
Everything gone.
Everything gone.
Wow,
Gone to
okay.
St. Thomas.
They don't count to it. They don't count St.
You look
Thomas
like they don't
people.
respond to St. Thomas people. The government of Jamaica don't respond to St. Thomas people.
Why?
No response to St. Thomas people. Everything I don't turn gone.
Yeah.
You no response to
Well,
me.
me tell you something,
You know response to it.
Them watch my channel. And them might not hack, but them listen. You understand me? And them have a hype on my channel because them realize me a highlight the St. Thomas flight.
Yes.
And I mean now go stop highlight it.
It is to be highlight.
Yeah, me now go
St.
stop.
Thomas
Yeah.
light is to be highlight.
Yeah. I mean I make the
Because me
rule.
tell you again, Dada,
Yeah.
we, St. Thomas Parish,
Yeah.
are the first burner of Jamaica.
Yeah.
I did the Maran Pint there.
Yeah.
Anything I come from Pine, if you come to Maran Pint, you come to town.
Yeah. For real. For
And
real.
then treat you like a shit house.
You see that? That's sad.
Yeah?
That's sad.
Look how they treat you, man.
Yeah. For the richest parish.
God judge it, man. Me I tell you, man, anything you want, come and sit down.
All of the
Anything
sand and
you want,
gravel
come and sit
and the
down.
water.
Yes.
Gone at
See, man,
Kingston.
Hey, listen me, man. Mal,
Yeah.
sand,
Yeah.
gravel,
Yeah.
coconut tree, left St. Thomas Garth Foreign.
Yes,
Yeah.
coconut tree. You
Ship about dwarf and Garth Foreign.
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm bold.
You understand?
Yeah.
So what happen?
Tell you.
They don't respect we.
For real.
No, man.
No respect.
No, man, they don't respect me, man.
No respect.
They don't respect me, man.
No
The
respect.
government of Jamaica ramp, man.
No respect. Thanks for the reason, Daddy.
Yes, sir.
Me I walk around the
God-
compound
God bless
and me I
you.
look on the beautiful church when I have
Walk round.
and
Yeah,
thing.
yeah,
And me,
Walk me no can go to the door with us and look.
yeah, man. And
You can come, man.
I mean, I tell you, some viewers and subscribers, me like that look of something where they make. Tell me something water going on too.
Yes, water pumping out, but it not turn on yet.
Oh, it not turn on yet.
Man, tell me the-
Okay, okay, beautiful man.
Pumping out, but it
Yeah,
not
man.
turn on.
And there's a woman did, you know, the past, the bishop.
So me I tell you,
Oh, the bishop. What's your name again?
hello.
Tolo. Bishop Tolo.
Tolo.
Big up Bishop Tolo.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm sorry I come up here and you're not here today. But me will come back next time when she.
She will be soon here, you know, maybe if you pass, but she will be
Come back
Okay.
this time, but you know must come back this time.
Okay. And me will show you our church, or in our church. When
Come
you
this way, come this way.
come this way, okay. Me will show you the church settings. So when you're in a old Pera, you can stop at Bishop Tolo Church and you can, worship with her. Most people tell me I don't meet her in person, but them tell me that she's a very nice lady.
Yes,
And-
this is the church.
Praise the Lord. We stand up at the entrance.
Yes, we are
And
the
temple.
glory at the church. Yeah.
Yeah, man. And we ask the Lord to kind of continue bless this church and keep it. Make this church continue to minister over St. Thomas people. Like the ancestors them were passed and gone. May I ask you, Lord, to ride this church and make this church lead in St. Thomas in Jesus' name.
Praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Daddy.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Yes,
you
sir.
for the reasoning.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
I hope
sir.
the people them
Yes, sir.
take
I
the
will.
word
Yes, sir.
serious.
Yes, sir. I
Peace.
will. Peace.